So you may be in love with your pet, your dog, or your cat. You're probably not in love with the way your house smells because they live there. Hey, Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties here with Adam's Carpet Cleaning. Uh, I've bought and sold a number of properties. Some of them had a really strong odor, and of course, boy, we've had dogs in our house, and boy, they can get kind of smelly. So. Next question, I recommend if you didn't watch our first video about just the way your carpet looks, check that out. But the next question that I have for Adam is just about smell, odor. Probably the biggest ones are pets and smoke. So how do you deal with those kind of things?
So the first thing you have to do to get out an odor is you have to remove the source of the odor. So we're using 200 degrees of water in our cleaning process to remove any contamination. Also, with the pet odors, like I said in the previous video, just to recap, I have it's called a counter-rotating brush machine that has longer bristles that actually digs into the carpet fiber and removes pet hair and things like that. Because if you just do a wet cleaning process like steam cleaning or hot water extraction over those danders and things that are deep down in the carpet pile, which you don't see, then what that does is it releases a lot of pet odors and the odor gets worse. So we like to remove as much danders and hair as possible before we do the cleaning procedure, which is steam cleaning. And then after that, then we spray a deodorizer on the carpet, and that removes anything that's still lingering around in the air, so you don't smell that. It's just kind of a temporary, it's very mild citrus deodorizer. And we also like to use products that are more citrus based. We don't like to use anything that's overpowering. Anything that's too strong. It's very mild. It works very well, and it works so well that we don't even have to use it at full strength. So yeah, that's what we do.
Awesome. When you said remove the source of the odor, I immediately thought of getting rid of the dog, but I know that's not what you meant, or the person if they smoke. But no, don't do that. Awesome. So getting rid of pets, smoke, odor, that type of thing. Hope that helps you guys with just, some ideas. If you have any questions about this or anything related to real estate, just post it in the comments. Be happy to answer it. If this was helpful, like it and share it, please. And again, I'm Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties in Eugene, here with Adams at Carpet Cleaning, or Adam at Adams Carpet Cleaning. Thanks.